Benchmarking Learning Nugget number 2. Follow Mr. Fox and his team through the project scoping phase of their benchmarking project.
Now that Mr. Fox has understood the core elements of benchmarking, he is all excited and ready to perform his own benchmarking project. He asks Max, his business analyst, to conduct an internal analysis to validate assumed strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats with business figures. In cooperation with other departments, he collects quantitative, qualitative and future-oriented metrics and evaluates them. The collected information verifies his assumption that afternoon business is truly cannibalizing his evening profit. To better understand which levers to focus on during his benchmarking project, Mr. Fox uses the internal data as input for an hypothesis workshop. He invites a group of diverse employees and members of his managing board to perform a root cause analysis for his problem and comes to the conclusion that they never really focus on a target group for the afternoon business. They decide to focus on the target group youth and brainstorm possible pain points for why young people stay away. The team jointly clusters the pain points and derives the following hypothesis. If we elaborate on the entertainment program, then we will raise our afternoon revenue by 30% because we attract more young people. Now that Mr. Fox knows what to focus on, he sets the goal for the benchmarking project and decides to perform a portfolio and strategy benchmark. He asks Max to find out what others are doing to attract the target group youth. In the next step, Max evaluates suitable benchmarking partners and decides to work with competitors as well as with the best of best from different industries. In alignment with the team and Mr. Fox, he chooses to compare with event movies in Poland, Cineplex in Germany, and the Einstein High School, which is renowned for its afternoon program. Now it is time for Max to staff his project team. He makes sure to select a diverse group with experts from different functional departments. He knows that the key factors for a successful benchmarking project are, amongst others, leadership buy-in and the right skill set of his team members. Of course, the team size and team setup must be adapted to the project scope and varies with each benchmarking project. All Max has left to do in the project scoping phase is to finalize his benchmarking plan, including resources, time and budget, and to get management approval.
Check out Learning Nugget 3, Data Collection and Gap Analysis, to understand which information sources are being used and how the data is processed.